Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Firstly, thank you guys for showing so much love on my video of cleaning EvenFlo Baby Car Seat cover, how to clean and put it back together. I received some comments and I appreciated them all, but some needed more clarity. Today I'll show you how to remove the cushion and canopy cover. I removed the strap first because I think it holds it all together. Just pull the strap over the iron on both sides. If you don't know, this iron is what allows you to adjust the straps. And just like that, your straps are free. Time to remove the cushion. First, remove the shoulder padding. Don't mind me, I was trying to make as little noise as possible to not wake up this child. Now pull the straps through and remove the cushion. This long piece is what tightens the strap. Find the waist buckle below the iron strap. Pull the buckle, lay it flat, then turn it 90 degrees and push it through. Now do the same to get it through the cushion. You are going to need this technique when you are reinstalling.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them.
Push down this part to get the clip
you ready
off.
for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Push the strap through the hole to remove the cushion.
Anything worth doing is a tough
Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
Time to remove the canopy. Squeeze down on the side of the canopy handle and pull up. Now we've reached the area that has everyone struggling. Press very firmly on this area right here and push down. Give it a good rock from side to side and then pull up. And the struggle is over. Time to put these in the wash.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got
Thank you
reason.
guys so much for watching me remove my EvenFlo Baby Car Seat. If you want to watch how to put it back on, just check out this video above. And please remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notification on, and I'll see you in my next video. I have a very interesting video coming up, so please stay tuned to see what happens. Thank you, bye bye.
Frostbite they feeling, I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times.